In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change layout on Linktree. By the end, you'll know exactly where each design control lives and how to confidently update the look and feel of your Linktree without second-guessing any setting. Start by heading to your Linktree admin dashboard. This is the area where you normally manage your links, and it includes a live preview so you can see changes as you make them. On the left-hand side, click Design. This opens the workspace dedicated to layout and styling, and it's where you'll spend a few focused minutes giving your page a cohesive, on-brand appearance. Begin with Theme. Themes provide a quick foundation for your layout, bundling fonts, colors, and button styles into a coordinated look. Choose one that aligns with your brand's personality: minimal, bold, playful, or anything in between. Think of this as your base layer. You can fine-tune individual parts next. Move into Header. Here, you're adjusting the top section of your page, the area that frames your identity. Use the available controls to refine how your name, bio, and profile elements are presented. Keep it clean and scannable so visitors immediately understand who you are and what they can expect. Next, open Wallpaper. This controls your background. You can opt for a solid color, gradient, pattern, or an image if that's supported for your plan. Aim for something that complements your theme without overpowering your text and buttons. Subtle textures or gentle gradients often work well because they keep the focus on your links. Head to Text. Choose typography that's both on-brand and easy to read. Prioritize clarity over flair and check the preview to confirm that headings and body text have enough contrast against the background. Good readability improves clicks and keeps visitors on the page longer. Go to Buttons. This is where the style of your link buttons comes together: shape, fill, outlines, and any subtle effects. Consistency matters here. Using the same style for all links helps your page feel intentional and professional. Open colors. Fine-tune your palette so everything ties together. A simple rule is one primary color for emphasis, a neutral for backgrounds, and a high contrast color for text. If your brand has set colors, this is the moment to align with them. Then visit Footer. Tidy up this lower area so it complements rather than competes with your content. Keep it streamlined for a polished finish. When you're happy with the preview, click Save. Your layout updates will go live, and you can return to these sections anytime to iterate as your brand evolves.